How would you like to earn free PayPal cash by tapping your phone and having fun at the same time? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 apps that you can download, having fun, tapping your phone and earn free PayPal cash with. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, as I said earlier, make sure you pay attention, watch the whole video here, because I just came up with another app, so I'm going to include that, so it will be a bonus app for you that you can make even more PayPal cash with. And you're probably not going to get rich with just tapping your phone and having fun there. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. But we save that for the end of this video because for now we want to have fun by tapping our phone and earn some free PayPal cash there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first app that we are going to have a look at today is Spin4Cash. And if you are on a desktop, you can find it on spin4cash.net. So this is how it looks when we arrive to the site here. You can see it is available on App Store as it says here. And we can see here at Spin4Cash, tap on spin and win. Tap, spin and win free PayPal cash or Jazz Cash. Spin4Cash is unlike other types of lucky wheel games because you will never lose. All you have to do is tap on the wheel and earn coins. You can exchange your winnings and cash out for PayPal cash or Jazz Cash. There are also other activities to help you earn more coins, such as login daily, sharing our apps and watching cool videos. So more opportunities for you there to make money with. And if you're looking for legitimate real money games, this is it. All you have to do is tap and play. And I think that they probably did an error here because it should be that it is available actually on Google Play because it is 2 here. So we'll have a look at it real soon here. Here it explains on how to play. Everyone is looking for the next legitimate real money games where they can earn free PayPal money, of course, Jazz Cash or gift cards. I think every one of us is interested in PayPal money, and as they say here, they offer an alternative to these real money games that you should choose because our method is easier and more fun. So you can have a look at the details here. There you have it, it is corrected. Download on the App Store and get it on the Google Play. And here are some screenshots, and I say it because I actually I opened it up earlier here on a new tab on Google Play. So Spin4Cash, tap on the wheel spinner, and it more or less explains everything as we had a look at earlier here. Tap, spin and win free PayPal cash or Jazz Cash. So you can see all you have to do is actually sign up. You can use your Facebook account, which is easier to log into. Spin to win, tap on the spinning wheel and let the wheel spins. It can't be easier than this actually. And they explain everything in detail here, so you can have a look at it before you download if you're interested. 5 is definitely a 5-star rated app, so I mean this is super cool and probably very popular app. You can see here Spin4Cash is a very fantastic application. It is a working application, and yeah, you can have a look at the rest of the reviews if you're interested. But I think you just have to download, install it and get started to earn some free PayPal cash there. Alright, let's move on to the next one. The next app is Tap Money, a very popular app actually also, and you can see here earn money by trying free apps, free bonus points on sign up. So by just signing up you actually earn some free points there. And you earn real money by completing simple tasks inside the app here, easily make free money by watching video, trying free apps, completing surveys, giving opinions, testing services and adornments, and free trials. Get fast payments in PayPal, okay? It explains here how you can earn the credit, how you cash out, and also enjoy the money, of course. 3-star rating here, actually. This is a very reliable if you really want to make some extra cash, which makes it to give us a second thought once again that you can't be rich on tapping your phone and having fun. It is super nice way to take a break maybe in the middle of the day and earn some free cash there, but not something that you can be rich on. So once again, make sure you check out my #1 recommendation at the end of the video here. Let's move on. If you like what you see so far, make sure you also smash that like button below. So let's proceed here. Good ratings. All you have to do here is also just install it, get started, and try it out to see if it works for you, okay? Alright, let's move on to something else here, and that is, I hope I pronounce it right, Rickets.com. Rickets.com, also available on App Store and Google Play. What you do is you collect your spins here, you just hit the get spins, you're tapping the button there, and it earns you, okay? You join a game, you hit the register button on the live schedule to join a live show. You play it. Once a live show starts, you pick a blue or gold, and each Rickets live game is 10 rounds. Before each round, we spin the points wheel to see how many points the round is worth. If it lands on your color, you win points. Whoever has the most points at the end of the game wins. So you can see here if I scroll down, meet the emojis, plus $50, minus 50, bonus spin. Here are so many variations and stuff like that. I mean, you have to have a closer look at this for yourself actually. So have a closer look at it at Rickets.com. We can see the app here. I also had a closer look here earlier at the FAQ sections. It explains anything like where does the money come from if you're interested in that. 40% of the revenue we generate is allocated to the Rickets and Rickets live prices. Is this gambling? No, Rickets is absolutely free to play and there is no consideration. That means you never have to use your own money for a chance to win. How do I receive it? Of course, it is via PayPal. Alright, so it explains also how fast you can actually the cash out here. It says 6 to 8 business days to clear into your PayPal account here also. So there you have it about Rickets.com. Hopefully I pronounced it right here. And let's move on to our bonus app here. The bonus app is actually two. One is for Google Play and one is for iOS to make it fair enough for all the smartphone users out there. So the first one on Google Play is Make Money Cash Rewards. This is how it looks. You can see it here. And you can see here, Big Cash is the answer to all these questions. Big Cash, Earn Free Cash is the highest paying cash app that allows you to earn real money or free gift cards by downloading free apps, games, or completing surveys. One of the exciting things of our app is you earn $15 PayPal cash or any gift card for just 2,500 coins there. So have a closer look at it. Just type Make Money Cash Rewards or Big Cash. Also, I think if you find it, you probably find it on Big Cash here on Android devices there. Okay, so there you have PayPal. I just type PayPal. That is why you see it in yellowish here. And if you're interested, of course, you can pick Amazon gift card, iTunes gift card as well. But I think you're probably interested in PayPal because you can turn that easily into cash or make a payment or something like that. Let's go to the final bonus section here, which is tabs for money. Alright, tapsformoney.com. You can have a closer look here. Taps for Money is an iOS application where users has the ability to earn $15 gift cards and $15 PayPal payments for free. I'm not going to go into all the details here, just going to show you some quick FAQ here, and it basically, these are really super simple and basic stuff here, okay? Have a closer look at tapsformoney.com, and of course you go ahead and download the app and get started with it. There is definitely more tapping apps that you can download. It's all a matter of time, how much time you have to play around by just tapping there. Well, it is a good and a great way to make some extra cash, some PayPal cash, of course. You definitely are not going to get rich with these opportunities here. If you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, as I said earlier here, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. So make sure you check that out. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to find out more opportunities like this. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you find an end screen here with another Make Money Online video recommendation that you can have a closer look at as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.